Hi, welcome to TunesKit. Have you tried deleting an app on your iPhone, but it just won't go away? Don't worry, here are the best ways to fix it. Method 1. Turn off content restrictions. Sometimes, app deletion is blocked by screen time. First, open Settings, tap Screen Time, and select Content and Privacy Restrictions. Tap iTunes and App Store Purchases. Choose Deleting Apps, set it to Allow. Now go back and try deleting the app again. Method 2. Restart your iPhone. A simple restart can fix small system glitches. Press and hold the power button. Slide to power off. Wait 10 seconds, then turn it back on. After restarting, try deleting the app. Besides app deletion issues, you may also face problems like a black screen, your iPhone won't turn on, gets stuck on the Apple logo, or won't charge. In this case, I recommend using TunesKit iOS System Recovery to fix it. It helps you fix iOS system problems, remove system bugs, repair apps not working. No data loss in standard mode. And you don't need any technical skills. Download link is in the description. Method 3. Update iOS system. Old system versions may cause bugs. Go to Settings, General, Software Update. Download and install the latest iOS version. Updates often fix issues like this. Method 4. Delete apps from settings. If you can't delete from the home screen, try tapping General, iPhone Storage. Select the app, tap Delete App. This method usually works even when others fail. That's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips.